Okay, I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how you're going to do your enzyme lab. So starting off here, you are going to have a syringe that looks like this. And with this syringe, the first thing you're going to do is to take out the plunger. Once you do this, you are going to take a piece of your potato that's going to go inside of your syringe. But for now, I don't have potato, so I'm just going to use a paper clip to demonstrate this. So I'm going to take this and put it inside of here. And then I'm going to put my plunger back inside of my syringe and I'm going to invert it and push it up until my potato is not going to have any more space, but also not to smush it. Once my potato is ready to go, then I'm going to take my solution of hydrogen peroxide and I'm going to draw this back until it hits 5 milliliters. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in the solution and draw it back. And now I have a solution that's filled with the potato core and my hydrogen peroxide. This hydrogen peroxide is really important because it's going to activate what we want it to do. And we'll talk more about that. You'll have to research that in your background. I'm not going to tell you too much about it, but you're going to have hydrogen peroxide in here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get some aquarium tubing. It's going to be out on your table for you. And with your aquarium tubing, what you're going to do is you're going to hook it to your pipette, but you're hooking it to the end that has the pointed tip. Oops, sorry, the pointed tip, not the end that is circular or has the green little piece on it. And what you're going to do is you're going to hook your aquarium tubing to your pipette. And then what's going to happen is you are going to draw up some monomer fluid. All this is food coloring and water. So you can create this. Take some water, put a little food coloring in it, and what you're going to do is I'm going to actually turn this down so you can see it better, is you're going to draw up some of this fluid. So you're going to put your pipette down in, and you're going to draw up a bead by pulling back. You don't want a lot. You just want to drop just a little bit of it so you have a bead that looks like this. And so you want to make sure, though, that your bead is nice and small. Mine is way too big. A nice small bead. And you want to start it, it says, at the 0.5, I think is what it says. So you're going to draw it back and start it right where it tells you. And then it is going to be set and ready to go. You can then lay this down and you're going to start timing right away once you lay it down and start measuring how far this bead moves over a period of time. That is it for our lab for today. It should be quick and easy to be able to get yourself set up, and then you will be able to actually see what happens with the reaction here.